Stampers, it's Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. I was so excited when I saw the July to December mini catalog and that the penguin was back, the stamp set and the punch. Now this was in last year's holiday catalog and it sold out and they didn't get any more of the punches. So they've brought it back. So I know there's a lot of you that wanted it last year and I just want to make sure you knew it was available again. And it is so stinking cute. So I'm going to make a gift card holder with it today. Now I know it is just August and I think what happens is as we get closer to Christmas, we start thinking gift cards. Well, I want to make sure that when you think of gift cards and making cute gift card holders, you don't limit yourself to just Christmas. You know, I think people are starting to give a lot of gift cards as gifts all through the holidays. Or I'm sorry, not through the holidays, but all year long. So birthdays, babies, weddings, showers, the ideas are endless. Male, female, we all need gift card holders. So I have a really fun one to share with you today. It's super simple to make. We're going to use the penguin on it, but imagine what stamps you could use. What holiday or what occasion or what event could you use this gift card idea for? And then you use any stamps, ink, and paper. Now, I also want to tell you, because I love gift card holders, because I give a lot of gift cards, especially since my whole family is far away. And every month, I have a special VIP tutorial that everybody that places an order for me gets in their thank you email. This month, for August, if you place an order with me, the VIP tutorial shows you 6 different gift card holders using 6 different stamps, 6 different, occasions or seasons or holidays, because it was all about 6 different, they're almost like fun folds, I guess. 6 different card layouts ideas that you can make into a gift card holder whenever you need a gift card holder. I'm just going to share one of them with you today. I'll give you a peek at a picture of the other ones. But remember, if you place an order with me, you'll get all 6 ideas in your thank you email after you place your order. Alrighty, let's flip the camera down because I can't wait to stamp this little penguin guy for you and give you a few tips and then show you how to make this easy gift card holder. Hang on one sec. So here's a little peek at the Penguin Place stamp set. Like I said, this did sell out last year, or I think the punch sold out and wasn't available. So now it is back. So it is adorable for not only Christmas cards or gift cards, but it's also great for birthdays and for other occasions as well. So we're going to start by making our focal point. Then we'll put together our gift card holder. So I have a scrap here, and this is what we're going to stamp our penguin on to punch out. Now, a little punch tip, especially when there's multiple images on here that this punches, I always flip it over first and make sure I understand how this image needs to be on my scrap paper for me to punch it out. And you'll see here, because this is the one I'm going to stamp and punch out, I'm going to want to stamp at the bottom over towards the left, because that way when I stick it in there, it'll fit and make it real easy for me to punch. And it's all also upside down. The head needs to be towards the bottom. So that's a little punch tip with whatever punch you're using, especially when it's punching out a shape. You always need to make sure you know which way that punches. So there we go. Bottom, left, and we're doing them upside down like so, because then I can slide it right in there in our punch, easily line it up and punch it. So there is our penguin. We got a couple little scraps there, not many though. And then let's see, let's finish the penguin here. So this is one of those stamp sets. I like to call them parts and pieces stamp sets. Lots of different pieces to build them. There's actually several different ways to build the penguin. He could be walking or standing, but we're going to make him just sitting down. And then let's just put a little bow tie on him. I think this just makes him so cute. Tahitian Tide, one of my new favorite colors. Okay, there is our penguin. Now, since it's kind of a long ways to Christmas, we are going to focus on birthday with this one. So I have a circle, actually 2. I've cut these out already. And these, I use my layering circle dies. You can see they come in a set like this. So you have the scallop and the regular ones that will layer on top of each other. And then we're going to put a balloon up there. And you'll see why I put it offset here in a second. And then we have the balloon string with the little curly cube coming down like so. Oh, we'll keep our black here because I said we're gonna make this happy birthday. And so let's just use black and we're gonna go happy birthday right on top of our balloon. And then we can take our penguin and let's grab a couple dimensionals and we're gonna just kind of build this focal point. Now, once we're done here, this could easily just be a regular card, okay, instead of a gift card holder. So that's why I thought, let's start with this part of it. And then, you know what, we need one more piece here. So let's bring the scrap paper and we're going to do a little package here. So we've got some real red. Now, since this does not have an image on that punch, we're gonna just use our scissors to fussy cut it, which is a super simple, because it's just these 4 little straight lines. So we'll just snip that like so, and like so. And then put another dimensional on. I think, yep, didn't know if I needed minis or if that one would work. And then we're going to just go ahead and stick that on like so. And then we're gonna add it on to the scallop one. So I like these scallops because they're real small. When these layer together, you get just a teeny tiny scallop. Because I don't like it overpowering. I want everything on my white circle to really pop. So let's set this aside, move some of these ink pads, and then I'll show you how to make the gift card holder. Okay, I have all of my pieces pre-cut for you, but this is just a 1/4 sheet. So 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I have a piece of designer series paper that is from the color group. This is this year's In Colors. I cut that 4 and 5 1/4. Now don't worry about these measurements. There will be a blog post that will have pictures of what I make for you, along with the list of supplies and colors, but most importantly, it'll have the measurements. So you can go right over there and grab all the measurements if you'd like to make this, either as a card or a gift card holder. So we got that part of it. And then I have another piece, and this is that Tahitian Tide, which is such a fun color. No, not Tahitian Tide. That's Tahitian Tide. This is the parakeet one. So, and we are going to stick that on here. So this is kind of like a little card. You can see it's going to open like so, just onto the base there. And then I just wanted to really focus on using this colored designer series paper, as I thought made it cute, bright, fun, and easy. Okay, so there's that. Now we're going to put our little guy right in the center. Like I said, he's the focus point. Now, if you wanted to just make a card, this focus point would make a great, just piece, card front as well. So we will stick him right there, like so. And then on the inside, we are going to stick a piece of basic white. And I'm going to stop right here for 1 second because this could be a card right there. Perfect card. Happy birthday. It's white on the inside. Flip it open. Oh, that got on there kind of crooked too, didn't it? I don't think I can fix it. So it's a little crooked. That's okay. And you could write your message there. But to make this a gift card holder, what I did is I cut out another piece of this designer series paper to stick in the inside, and then our gift card can just slide in just like that. Now, a couple of tips here. I am going to use the tear and tape for this because when you're making a pocket, it's going to get a little bit of not distress, but putting that card in and out. We want to just make sure that it sticks really good, okay? It's not like a layer on a card. People are going to be moving this around. So we'll put a piece on the 3 edges, and then once you have this on here, it should peel off pretty easy. I stick it down, and then this peels the other side. This, it's really just like a 2-sided tape, okay? But you want to make sure you get it on all those edges so there's room for the gift card. And then before I stick it down, I actually stick my gift card on there and make sure that the sticky's not going to hit the gift card. But that way, it gives it that little bit of a curve, I guess, or makes room to make sure that that card fits in there. So now we've made that little pocket, and see, because that dries so quick, or it doesn't even have to dry, it's just sticky. There is our gift card holder. So that is our gift card holder. Now here is, I just have a picture. I don't have the actual cards with me here, but you can see this is one of the designs on here, but there is 6 different card designs, layout designs here that will give you 6 different ways to make gift cards. So I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you give it a try, whether it's for Christmas, birthday, babies, or weddings. Any stamps, paper, and ink will work, but it's just a fun idea for making a gift card holder. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you check out the blog post. I'll have pictures of this card as well as some other ones from last year where I used the penguin. And then everything, measurements, everything you need for this, as well as all the supplies. So thanks for watching. We'll be stamping again real soon. Have a stamp happy day.